Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to download Gimp 2.10, the new release, and I'm very hyped for it. I have been using for years the Gimp 2 and the other older versions, but I kind of saw a little bit of a different layout on this Gimp, which is very interesting. So we're going to download it now. So we can download it on torrent or directly. We're going to download it directly. So download direct here. It's already downloading. So I don't know the features, but you can see here how many languages there are. There's German, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, all of that. Uploaded downloads. Let's see here. Search version. It's stable. All this time wasn't stable, so it could crash or damage all your files. I read that before, few months ago. So this is the official release, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I really want to know where or the new features. Maybe it's just the same with a different layouts, but I have seen some new, let's say, I did see some new features on the new one, and I really want to know. Download about. Let's see if we can see and find the feature. I think it's kind of the same, but with new features and layout, because they're not going to change a whole lot. I think I haven't seen it. Just saw the layout that looks like his competitor, which I'm not gonna name. So Gimp is a free, uh, it's free software that you can use for photo editing, and you can do pretty much what their paying competitor can do. Um, Maybe more on this version. So let's see what happens. To the docs. Let's go for the docs. Nope. Books. Nope. So weird. They did have a like a. So it's 2.10. Now with a boom. See, a long-awaited Gimp 2.10 finally here with a huge release, which contains a result of 6 long years. Whoa. Um, Gimp 2.8 was released almost 6 years ago. Wow. So small but contributors changed in a short. We are not going to list the full change log here, since you can get the better idea of the official. Okay, official release notes. So, still to get you quick taste of the Gimp 2.10. Here's some most notable changes. Improve image processing, nearly full portage to GEGL, line high bit processing, multi-threaded. Oh, very good. So I think what happened on the other one was they did not do a multi-threaded, they just did a single threaded processing. But that's why it takes so long of processing an image with a tool. So we have here a few more um, features on the notes. So if you want to pause and read or come back to our little link here of gimp.org. So we're going to install it. Let's see what we have. Hopefully I don't have to uninstall my old GIMP. Please just don't. Yeah, that would be really bad. So we're going to setup. Select language. English would be very nice. Well, okay. Gimp 2.10. Well, you can customize it and everything. So it's installing. This will take a while. Well, we should keep reading. Then you know to say color management, the color feature now. Most widgets are preview areas or in color manage. Ah, I see. Many improved tools and several new exciting tools, such as wrap transform. Oh, okay. And the unified transform handled transform tools. Okay. Canvas preview for all the filters. So there's like a new make new functions so they can do everything faster. And I think they have a metadata viewing. So there's some export and import formats, I think. But for editing, let's see. The themes. This is the thing that I saw. Gray, like its competitor. The light, it was already there. I think the gray and the dark was already implemented on the other one, or maybe you have to add a plugin. So, end system. So new symbolic, dim environment. Okay. Former game color icons and available preferences. Cool. Got more, better, more, even more awesome. Hey, you can see, you can go here to the other release notes on this link. So, already finished. Let's see what we got. Do I have to wait or is it going to open automatically? Now let me 2.10. Let's see here again. Ooh. think I deleted. Yep. Too bad. Let's see what we have here. What? I did delete my. Let's see. Okay, so it's compiling the plugins. Hope the old plugins function as same as the other ones, the other Gimp 2.0, 2.8, so I can install them on this new Gimp. It's weird because, well, it's photo editing, so it doesn't matter. It's just because they put up, I think it's a 3D environment and then put some blur on it. It looks cool. I know Gimp is not 3D software. Whoa. Whoa. Well. It's pretty much the same. Let's see here. Oh, it did not delete my files. My plugins? Oh yeah, it did not delete my plugins either. This is so cool. Very impressive. It did not delete my plugins and added more plugins and tools, which is kind of confusing because I already, I already had a, how can I explain? I already knew where all the plugins were, and now I have to manage them or figure it out how to which one is which, because it did not change. It always is the same, but I have to know the location of every one of them and what they do. So I think I'm going to do a tutorial on what each tool does, and that would be on a later time if I have time. So that would be really cool. So we have here create. What can we create? From web page. Wow, an image from web page. Hey, you can do web page buttons. What? 3D outlines. What? It's really cool. There we go. Select all. Hey, we got string. Already had it. We had that already. Right? We have border. So replace selection with by its a border. I think you can manage it and put some pixel distance. Distorts. Oh, distorts. Cool. Uh, a few of those already were uh, on the older version. So here we can change the mode to grayscale. Precision. Guidelines already were there. Transform. Hey, guillotine. So this is one of the features that I read back there. On the transform, there will be more selections. So guillotine is one of them. I think. I really don't remember this one being here. Let's see here. Have more selections and functions. And I think this was not like this before. Like this drop down, you have a few selections and you have to open a few windows until you get this window right here. So finally they changed that. You see it like this, but in here in colors. Got new filters. Bump maps. So cool. I thought they would ruin like other companies do. They trash the last version and replace it with the new, and this pretty much is an update, not a uh, trash and renew. And I have my special plugins here. Very good special plugins. Let me see if they put. I think they put bevel and emboss on the new filter. Maybe they did. Bevel and emboss. They had to. They had to. Come on. Bevel and emboss. Distorts. Got emboss. Emboss legacy. Edge manage. Mine. So bland. So that is pretty much how to install Gimp. I had a little bit of problem when I tried to type Gimp. I think we have to fix that. Let's see. So it says here delete shortcut. Yeah, I think we're gonna delete it. I think I'm going to this one. No. Gimp 2. Yeah, I think I have to go into well, they have to fix that. At least if someone downloads a GIMP, download GIMP from a new, they don't have to do this. But since I already know where GIMP is, Even though I don't remember the folders, since there's so much folders. Oh, here it is. Gimp 2. Um, let's see here. We go to create shortcut on desktop, and I think I'm done. Where it is? There we go. So we have a install Gimp. .10. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next time.